Hi, I'm Helia, mobility coach for Njoie, and I'm here to talk to you about how to use the MFLEX for your low back. Low back pain is a pretty common issue, especially in America. And today we're going to talk about how to loosen up the muscles around it so that you can lower your back pain over time. Everything takes time, so be patient. But also remember that low back pain is not just caused by what's going on necessarily in your back. There's a lot of other things that attribute to it. So poor posture, inflammation, herniated discs, all of these things can contribute to low back pain. Here's how to loosen up your low back so that you have less pain over time. Okay, so we're going to start with the MFLEX in front of us. Remember that it's adjustable. And for your back, you can adjust where it's going to be. You're going to put it right past your glutes. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I want you to actually go down on your elbow first and then slowly roll onto it. If you have a pillow or a block, it might be useful to put it underneath your neck. And I want you to lift your hips off the floor so that you are relaxing on top of it rather than arching your back. I actually want you to pull your rib cage down so that there's a locking mechanism between your pelvis and your rib cage. There's a little bit of more core engagement so that we really get into those back muscles. You're gonna find the spot that's tender but not painful. Remember, pain equals defense, and defense will not give you release. So we're gonna find a spot that's tender but not painful, and then from here, we're just gonna keep breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And once you're comfortable with that, maybe even shifting more to one side and then the other side to loosen up further, or applying pressure to one side versus the other to hit different angles in different areas, because we carry pain differently from one side to the other. Once you feel comfortable after being here for a few minutes and just breathing, to get out of it, you're going to roll off the MFLEX to your side and use your hand to sit up.